Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really awesome inflatable swimming pool. To get started, I want to show you the process of getting it set up. It was really quick and simple, so here's a little look at that. You get everything you need from instructions, the air pump, as well as repair pouches if needed, and of course the large inflatable pool. We got it opened up on a tarp just to give some additional protection to the bottom, and then it was ready for inflation. This pool does have 3 separate air chambers, and each one has an anti-backflow valve to ensure the air stays in between removing the pump and placing the cap. I found that each section took roughly 3 minutes to inflate, so all in all, it was quite quick, and the walls of the pool felt nice and sturdy. My son was so excited and could hardly wait for the pool to be ready, but he was also a great help and made sure each air chamber was filled adequately. Once fully inflated, this pool is 130 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 22 inches deep, making it such a great size for families with little ones. Now it was time to fill it up. There is a clear marking inside for the maximum water capacity, which is about 370 gallons. Needless to say, it did take a good bit of time to fill up, but it was so worth it on this hot, sunny day, and I know it's something that we will enjoy using over and over again. Now this pool feels really well made. It really impressed me, and the time it took to get it set up was really reasonable. So I'm thoroughly impressed by the quality, and it feels durable enough. I'm not worried about having my child play in and around this pool, and it could be used for so much more than just swimming. If you want to fill it with sand and have like a little sand pit, that could be a great option for this, or even fill it with balls to make a little ball pit. I mean, the sky's the limit. You can really make this a lot of fun in many different ways. The pool is plenty large enough for myself, my child, and my husband to get in and still have plenty of room to play. So we certainly enjoy this, and we think you guys would as well. So if you were looking for an inflatable pool, I would definitely give this one a try. And just something worth noting, this does have a little plug on the bottom to allow the water to escape, and it also has a little tube to extend it and help that water drain more efficiently.